Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A grandpa trying to make an ornament for his grandson, and I would be extremely proud of that young man if I were you, and I'm sure you are. I'm a little bit concerned about the color. He's evidently cutting out on a laser, but are you printing this, and why is it colors? But anyway, I think it's the young man's face. We're going to look at this, and I'm going to put it back to where he had it. And I am going to change the nudge factor. And for the one I'm doing it for, I'm going to change your duplicate distance 0, 0. That might not even come into play. I'm going to change the nudge distance to 5 so we can make sure we get it out of there. But then I'm going to take this first, and I'm going to go to Object and Order and Front of Page so we can see the inside line is what's going to be cut out. And that's about as good as you're going to get. You know, you could maybe, to get the top of the cap versus the chin, I would believe I'd stay where we are at. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to select this and go back to front of page. And then I'm going to take the photograph and I'm going to nudge out of the way. Now, this is a circle, so I'm going to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to nudge it the same distance, and then I'm going to select both items, and I'm going to go right here at the intersect, and look at that picture. I'm truly hoping this was what he was asking. You know, I get so many emails, and I'm the same way. I can't answer, tell people what I'm trying to do without pictures, and I'm a little bit concerned about, not concerned, is he engraving this and also the how this all goes together with the tabs. I'd be curious to know. But there is, Intersect is much better than, I'm just going to double check something, yellow box trick, than power clipping in this case. See, there's nothing there but the young man. And anyway, I truly hope that helped, and thank you for watching.